In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Adsense advert block to your Weebly website. If you've been looking to monetize your site through Google AdSense, you've come to the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have successfully added an AdSense block to your Weebly website. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Weebly. You can do that by simply opening your web browser and typing in www.weebly.com. Weebly is a user-friendly platform that allows you to build websites effortlessly, and having an AdSense advert block can be a great way to generate some revenue. Once you're on the Weebly homepage, it's time to log in. Use your email and password to sign into your account. If you're already using Weebly, this step should be familiar to you. Just ensure your credentials are up to date to avoid any issues logging in. After entering your details, go ahead and click on Login. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to your Weebly dashboard. This is your control center for managing all your site's features. Look for the tab that says Overview on the menu and click on it. From here, you'll be able to see a snapshot of your site's activities and have access to options for editing your site. Now click on the Edit Site button. This will launch the site editor where you can make all necessary changes to your website. The editor is where we're going to add your AdSense block, so you'll be spending a bit of time here. Once you're in the editor, locate the build option on the top menu and click on it. This will open up the elements you can use to customize your Weebly site. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section if you haven't done so already. Scrolling down on the elements bar, you'll find the various tools available to enhance your site. Keep going until you reach the bottom of this list. At the bottom, you should see an option to show all elements. Click on it to expand your choices. With the elements now fully visible, look for the Google AdSense block. You want to click on it, and while holding it down, drag it to the section of your website where you want the ads to appear. It could be on your homepage sidebar or anywhere else that feels appropriate. After placing the AdSense block where you want it, a prompt will pop up asking you to authorize the AdSense account. Click on Authorize. This step connects your Weebly site with your AdSense account and is crucial for placing ads accurately on your site. Once you've authorized, you'll notice that the AdSense block is now live on your website. This confirms that the advertisement block has been successfully added and is ready to begin displaying ads. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've integrated an AdSense advert block into your Weebly website. Remember, this is a fantastic way to generate income, and with Weebly's easy-to-use interface, managing these ads will be a